Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Learn English Through Stories. Today, I will share with you a magical fantasy story about kindness, hope, and the light that lives in our hearts. So sit back, relax, and let's begin our journey together. The Boy and the Talking Star. Once upon a time, in a small, quiet village, there lived a boy named Leo. He was curious, gentle, and always looking at the night sky. Every evening, after finishing his chores, Leo would sit under the old oak tree and watch the stars. One night, something magical happened. As he gazed at the brightest star, it suddenly blinked 3 times. Then, to Leo's surprise, he heard a soft voice. "Hello, little dreamer," said the star. Leo looked around. Nobody was there. He touched his ears and whispered, "Am I dreaming?" "No," the star laughed gently. "I am Stella, the talking star. I've been watching you for many nights. You always look at us with wonder, but tonight I want to tell you a secret." Leo's eyes grew wide. A secret? What kind of secret can a star have? Stella's voice became warm, like the glow of a candle. "We stars are not only light in the sky, each star holds a story, and tonight I will share mine with you." Leo listened carefully. "Long ago," Stella began, "I was not a star. I was a little spark of hope inside someone's heart. Every time that person was kind, brave, or honest, I grew brighter. When they shared love, I shined even more. One day, I became too bright for the earth, and I rose into the sky to guide others." Leo whispered, "So stars are born from kindness." "Yes," Stella replied. "Kindness creates light. That is why the sky is full of stars. They are reminders that every small good action lives forever." Leo thought deeply. But sometimes people are not kind. Sometimes they are angry or sad. "What happens then?" Stella's voice softened. "Then the world becomes a little darker. But remember, even in darkness, one small spark of kindness can light the way. That spark can grow into a star." Leo felt inspired. He wanted to become a spark of kindness too. The next day, he began helping more in the village. He carried water for an old woman, shared bread with hungry children, and listened to those who were lonely. But each act made him feel lighter, happier, almost as if he was glowing. At night, when he looked at the sky, Stella's lights seemed even brighter, as if she was smiling. Many years later, when Leo grew old, something extraordinary happened. One evening, as he closed his eyes under the same oak tree, he felt his heart warm and bright. The villagers saw a new star appear in the sky. It was soft, golden, and peaceful. And from that night on, 2 stars blinked together, Stella and Leo. They reminded everyone that kindness never disappears, it simply rises to the sky to shine forever. And that is the end of our story. I hope you enjoyed The Boy and the Talking Star. Remember, every small act of kindness creates light in the world, and maybe one day that light will shine like a star in the sky. Thank you for listening to Learn English Through Stories. See you next time with another beautiful story to enjoy and learn from.